Welcome to today's English lesson. In this video, we're going to learn some words and phrases that native speakers use to say hello in English.
We'll also explain when to use each one and give you tips to help you sound more natural in real conversations. Let's get started.
Let's begin with some everyday greetings you can use in English. Hello. This is the most universal greeting. You can say hello to anyone, anytime. It works in both formal and informal situations. Hi. Hi is a more casual and friendly way to greet someone. Use it when speaking with friends, family, or people you know well. It's short, simple, and cheerful. Hey. Hey is a very casual and relaxed greeting. You'll hear it often among close friends and family. It's friendly, quick, and fun. Let's see how people use these words in real life.
Hello, 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 hello.
Hello, boys and girls!
Hello, everybody.
Hello, everyone!
Hello, neighbor.
Hi, everyone.
Hi.
Hey there, fellas!
Hello. Hey, hi, hello.
Hey, Dad.
In English, we use different greetings depending on the time of day. Here are the main ones and the times they're used.
Good morning.
Say good morning when you greet someone before noon. It's polite and friendly and works in both casual and formal settings.
Good afternoon.
Use good afternoon after 12 p.m. and until about 5 p.m. It's a polite way to greet people in the middle of the day.
Good evening.
Good evening is used after 5 p.m. when the day is ending. It's often used in more formal situations, but it's also a nice, polite way to say hello in the evening. So, how do people actually use these phrases? Let's find out.
Good morning, neighbor.
Good morning, Nancy.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Mr. President.
Good evening, class.
So good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Every other day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Maryland Dean Gallery, okay?
Now, let's look at some common questions people ask when greeting someone and how you can respond to them. How are you? This is a common way to ask someone how they're feeling. It fits any situation. Most people respond with something like, I'm good, I'm all right, I'm okay. How's it going? This is an informal way to ask someone how they are, just like, how are you? You can use it with friends or people you know well. And the answers? Try, pretty good, not bad, I'm doing okay. What's up? Another informal greeting, what's up, means the same as how are you or how's it going? It's great for chatting with friends, and they usually answer, not much, just hanging out, all good. Here's how these questions are actually used in everyday conversations.
How are you today, sir?
How are you?
How are you doing, man?
How are you doing today?
Hey, what's up?
Yeah, what's up, man?
And finally, nice to meet you. Say this when you meet someone for the first time. It's a polite way to show that you're happy to make a new connection. And you can say, nice to meet you too, in response. It shows that you're also glad to meet them. It's friendly, polite, and makes a great first impression. Let's see this expression in action.
Oh, it's so nice to meet you.
It's really nice to meet you.
Yeah, it's nice to meet you too.
Let's review what we learned today.
In this lesson, you discovered how to greet people naturally in English, just like native speakers.
We learned simple greetings like hello, hi, and hey for both formal and casual situations, and time-based greetings such as good morning, good afternoon, and good evening.
We also learned some friendly ways to start a conversation, including how are you, how's it going, and what's up, along with natural responses. And last but not least, the polite phrase, nice to meet you, for first-time introductions. These expressions are great tools for starting conversations and building confidence in real-life situations.
Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to try these phrases the next time you talk with someone in English.
Thanks for watching. See you next time, and goodbye.